Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can get iPhone emojis on Android device. So in the first step, open the Google Play Store and look for the iOS emojis for Android app. Install it and open. Now close the ad and skip. Tap on the Enable button. Now turn on the switchers next to iOS emojis, here and here. Then go back, choose Select button and select the iOS still emojis. Select your language and click on Accept icon. Now go back, open the keyboard, and as you can see, now we have a iPhone iOS emojis. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.